You may live 100 years, a lonely soul I fear. It doesn't have to be this way, just listen to me here. May your sweet, sweet smile be your parting shot, never lose control. Trust your friends when you disagree, and watch your friendship grow. Never, never strike when you have a fight. Use your words to solve your woes. Talk to your friends when you disagree, and watch your friendship grow. You may live 100 years, a harmless life I fear. You may have lots of friends if you follow this idea. May a kiss or a hug or a pat on the back show your friends you really care. You'll create a heaven on earth and save a trip down there. Keep in check your devilish